In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the most succulent, delicious chicken breasts on the barbecue. Simple yet delicious. Woo! Firstly, we're going to start off with these beautiful chicken breasts. What we're going to do is, because they are quite thick, we're going to just give that slice in half so it makes it a little bit flatter. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to simply just slice it in half. I'm not amazing at this, but this will just help the cooking time so the meat cooks evenly and it doesn't overcook either. So I'm just going to open it up, just like that. Just going to drizzle a touch of oil on both. I'm going to use one of these to just brush over it. Oil these babies out. Now we're just going to place these in here. Make sure that they're flat. Now I'm just going to close that. And with this side, you can use a rolling pin, you can use a bottle, you can use a frying pan, anything to just slam it down. We just want to try and get that as flat as possible and give it a good pounding. Into this bowl we're going to go with around 6 garlic cloves, 3 garlic cloves each breast. Get yourself one of these garlic crushers, they're ultra handy. We have oregano. Now I'm going to just add a load in here. Now remember, we've already coated the chicken breast with oil, okay? So this is just going to coat this nicely. I've got a dehydrated chili. You could use chili flakes if you like. I just really like the flavour of these. These aren't too spicy, but they leave a really, really delicious flavour. So I'm just going to chop these up nice. You just want to roll a lemon, that helps release the juice. Look at my little whisk. Just give that a good mix. Now we're just going to marinate these in here. I'm just going to cling film this now. Leave that to marinate for a little bit, in a minimum of half an hour, and then we're going to cook it. This is my little barbecue, it's my pride and joy. Let's get cooking. So I've got some leftover sauce. We're going to be basting that chicken breast when we turn it over, and it will just absorb that flavour so much. Amazing. I think the chicken is ready. Now it's time to eat. Honestly, I'm so excited to eat this. I was going to film outside, but it got really dark really quickly. It was my first barbecue of the year, so I was quite excited to use my barbecue. I'm just going to cut in. Looks delicious. This is also my mum's recipe of the rice. I've already done a video on this. I'll put a link above. Thank you so much for watching as always. If you did enjoy this recipe, leave a comment down below and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, peace.